SNSX Adidas GT2 5th edition fuses two iconic silhouettes, the Malmö and Handball Spezial, into one vibrant, gum-soled creation. It channels classic Adidas terrace vibes with a bold twist. A beige leather upper with suede overlays is paired with striking electric blue 3 stripes, while the tongue pops with neon pink branding. Inside, pastel hues continue the playful, rave-inspired theme. Drawing from Stockholm's underground rave flyers, this colorway captures the energy of summer and techno culture. The durable gum rubber sole offers grip and style, balancing comfort with bold, chaotic flair. Dropping on June 19, 2025, this limited edition sneaker will be available at SNEAKERSNSTUFF.com and select SNS locations. First come, first served, so act fast if you want to score this nostalgic, dance floor-ready design.